Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you love spicy food, cheesy comfort meals, and bold flavors, today's recipe is made for you. We are preparing fire noodles with cheese, a fiery and creamy noodle dish that combines the intense heat of spicy Korean-style noodles with the rich, smooth flavor of melted cheese. This recipe is simple, quick, and perfect when you want something exciting without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. The combination of hot noodles and creamy cheese creates an amazing contrast. The noodles bring the heat, while the cheese helps soften the intensity and adds a deliciously rich texture. To begin, prepare your favorite spicy instant noodles. You can use Korean fire noodles, spicy ramen, or any instant noodles with a hot sauce packet. If you enjoy experimenting, you can also use different types of spicy noodles to find your favorite combination. Before cooking, prepare your toppings and cheese. Mozzarella is an excellent choice because it melts beautifully and creates that stretchy cheese texture, but you can also use cheddar, American cheese, Monterey Jack, or a combination of cheeses. If you want a stronger cheese flavor, use mature cheddar. If you want a smoother and stretchier finish, mozzarella is a great option. Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add the noodles. Cook them according to the package instructions, but avoid overcooking them because you want the noodles to remain slightly firm. The noodles will continue cooking when they are mixed with the sauce, so keeping them al dente helps create a better final texture. While the noodles are cooking, prepare the sauce. The spicy sauce is the heart of this dish, so use the seasoning packet that comes with the noodles or prepare your own mixture using Korean chili paste, chili flakes, soy sauce, garlic, and a little sugar. If you are using an extremely spicy noodle sauce, start with a smaller amount and add more gradually. This allows you to control the heat and enjoy the dish instead of making it overwhelmingly spicy. Once the noodles are cooked, drain most of the water. You can reserve a small amount of the noodle water because it can help loosen the sauce later. Return the noodles to the pot or place them in a large skillet. Add the spicy sauce and toss everything together until every strand is evenly coated. The noodles should become glossy and deeply colored as the sauce mixes with them. At this point, the aroma will already be incredibly tempting. For extra richness, add a small amount of butter. The butter melts into the spicy sauce and gives the noodles a smoother, richer texture. You can also add a splash of milk if you want a creamier version. Stir everything together over low heat so the sauce becomes smooth without drying out. Now comes the star ingredient, cheese. Add a generous amount of shredded mozzarella directly to the hot noodles. Turn the heat to low and gently toss the noodles until the cheese begins to melt. You can also cover the pan for a minute to help the cheese melt evenly. As the cheese melts, it wraps around the noodles, creating a creamy layer that balances the fiery sauce. If you want an even cheesier dish, add another handful of cheese on top and cover the pan again. Let it melt slowly until the surface becomes smooth, glossy, and deliciously stretchy. One of the best things about fire noodles with cheese is the contrast between spicy and creamy. The chili creates a strong heat that builds with every bite, while the cheese provides richness and a softer flavor. This balance makes the noodles satisfying for spicy food lovers without completely overwhelming the palate. However, keep in mind that the level of heat can vary greatly between different brands and types of fire noodles. If you are not used to very spicy foods, begin with a smaller amount of sauce and gradually increase it. You can also add more cheese or milk to make the dish milder. For people who love extreme heat, you can increase the spice by adding fresh chili peppers, chili flakes, or a little extra hot sauce. Just remember that more heat is not always better. The goal is to create a dish where the spicy flavor and cheese complement each other. Once the cheese is fully melted, your fire noodles with cheese are almost ready. Transfer the noodles into a bowl while they are still hot. Use a fork or chopsticks to lift the noodles and create a beautiful pile in the center of the bowl. Add another layer of melted cheese on top if you want an extra indulgent finish. You can also sprinkle sesame seeds and chopped green onions over the top for freshness, texture, and color. If you want to make the dish more filling, there are many ingredients you can add. A fried egg is one of the easiest and most delicious toppings. The creamy egg yolk blends with the spicy cheesy noodles and creates an even richer sauce. You can also add sliced chicken, beef, shrimp, or crispy bacon for additional protein. If you prefer vegetables, try adding mushrooms, corn, spinach, cabbage, or sliced green onions. These ingredients add texture and help balance the richness of the cheese. Another great option is to add a little kimchi. The tangy and spicy flavor of kimchi pairs beautifully with cheesy noodles and gives the dish an extra Korean-inspired twist. You can add the kimchi directly to the pan or serve it on the side. For a crispy topping, consider adding crushed roasted seaweed or crispy onions. These toppings provide a nice contrast to the soft, creamy noodles. You can also sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the top for a subtle nutty flavor. When making fire noodles with cheese, the type of cheese you use can completely change the final result. Mozzarella creates long, stretchy cheese pulls and has a mild flavor that allows the spicy sauce to remain the star. Cheddar provides a stronger and slightly sharper flavor. American cheese melts smoothly and creates an extra creamy texture. Monterey Jack gives you a mild, buttery flavor and melts very well. You can even combine mozzarella and cheddar for both stretchiness and stronger cheese flavor. If you want to create a creamy fire noodle sauce instead of simply adding melted cheese, you can make a simple cheese sauce. Melt butter in a pan, add a small amount of milk, and gradually add shredded cheese while stirring. Once smooth, mix the spicy noodles into the sauce. This creates an incredibly creamy version that coats every strand. For an even richer result, you can add a small amount of cream, but milk works perfectly well for a lighter option. Another delicious variation is fire noodles with cheese and egg. Cook the noodles with the spicy sauce, add cheese, and then place a fried egg on top. When you cut into the egg and allow the yolk to run into the noodles, it creates a creamy mixture that balances the spice beautifully. This version is especially satisfying as a quick lunch or late-night meal. You can also turn this recipe into a baked noodle dish. Prepare the spicy noodles and mix them with cheese, then transfer everything into an oven-safe dish. Add another layer of mozzarella on top and bake until the cheese is melted and lightly golden. The result is a spicy, cheesy noodle casserole with a deliciously brown top. This version takes a little longer, but it is perfect when you want something extra indulgent. While fire noodles with cheese are incredibly tasty, it is important to respect the heat level. Very spicy foods can cause discomfort for people who are not accustomed to them. If you are trying extremely spicy noodles for the first time, use less sauce and increase it gradually. Keep cooling ingredients nearby, such as milk, yogurt, or a creamy side dish. Water may not provide much relief from chilly heat, while dairy products can help many people manage the burning sensation more effectively. Another tip is to prepare all your ingredients before you start cooking. Instant noodles cook quickly, so having your cheese, sauce, toppings, and seasonings ready will make the process easier. Once the noodles are cooked, you can quickly combine everything while the noodles are still hot. This is especially important when using cheese because you want the heat from the noodles to help melt it smoothly. Fire noodles with cheese are also perfect for customizing. You can make them simple with just noodles, spicy sauce, and cheese, or create a loaded version with meat, vegetables, eggs, and multiple cheeses. You can make the dish extra creamy, extra cheesy, or extra spicy depending on your mood. This flexibility is one of the reasons spicy noodles have become such a popular comfort food. The combination of heat, cheese, and noodles is incredibly satisfying. Imagine taking your first bite and feeling the chewy noodles coated in spicy sauce, followed by the creamy richness of melted cheese. The heat slowly builds while the cheese adds a smooth and comforting flavor. The sesame seeds provide a subtle crunch, while green onions add freshness. Every bite brings a different combination of textures and flavors. Fire noodles with cheese are also a fun recipe to prepare with friends. You can create a spicy noodle challenge by preparing different levels of heat and allowing everyone to customize their own bowl. One person might prefer a mild cheesy version, while another might want extra chili and hot sauce. Just make sure everyone knows how spicy the noodles are before trying them, especially when using extremely hot sauces. Whether you are making this dish as a quick meal, a late-night snack, or a fun spicy food challenge, fire noodles with cheese are easy to prepare and incredibly flavorful. The basic recipe requires only a few ingredients, but the possibilities are endless. Add your favorite protein, vegetables, toppings, and cheese combinations to make the recipe your own. In the end, the secret to great fire noodles with cheese is balance. You want enough spice to create excitement, enough cheese to provide creaminess, and enough flavor to make every bite enjoyable. Start with your preferred spicy noodles, cook them until perfectly chewy, mix them with the fiery sauce and then add plenty of melted cheese. Finish with your favorite toppings and serve immediately while everything is hot and gooey. So, if you are craving something spicy, cheesy, quick, and satisfying, fire noodles with cheese are definitely worth trying. This simple dish transforms ordinary instant noodles into a rich and exciting comfort meal with bold Korean-inspired flavors, creamy melted cheese, and as much heat as you can handle. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.